Hi friends, today I'm going to teach you something new. And what I'm teaching you is called counting collections. Can you say that with me? Counting collections. Counting collections are different objects given to you. It could be buttons of different sizes, different colors. Maybe there's 2 holes in the button, maybe there's 4 holes in a button. Counting collections are made up of different things, okay? So in your materials that you received from school, you have a laminated sheet like this, okay? This is what we use for counting collections, okay? And you can do this with a partner. You can do this activity by yourself, all right? We are gonna learn how to count out our collection, how to sort our collection, and how to record it on our paper. So if you see whatever your counting collection is, you're going to count them all out. And you're gonna write that number up here to say how many you counted, or you can circle the number of items you counted here in the box. You just have to find the correct numeral. Then what we're gonna do is we're going to record or draw a picture of the objects we counted, okay? Are you ready to get started? Let's go. So today, my collection is pumpkins. These are my pumpkins that I'm using, okay? I'm using blue pumpkins and I'm using orange pumpkins. So I have to figure out how I'm going to sort them. And I think it would be good to sort them by color. So I'm going to put all my blue pumpkins here together because they all look the same. And I'm going to put all my orange pumpkins together because they all look the same, okay? This is my counting collection today. My counting collection is of pumpkins. Now I'm going to point and I'm going to count. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 pumpkins. So now I want to find, because I don't know how to write the number 11, or I'm not very sure of how to write it, I'm going to find it in my box of numbers. So I'm going to count to 11 starting with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 11 right there. I'm going to put my finger on it. I'm going to take my dry erase marker and I'm just going to circle it. Because then guess what? I can practice writing the number 11 right above it where it says I counted. So I'm going to write the number 11 there. Now I have to draw a picture of my objects I counted. And you can do it 2 ways. If you are comfortable drawing a pumpkin, you can draw it. But if you're not so sure, you can certainly trace your pieces too. So I am going to trace my pieces because I don't know if I can really draw a pumpkin that well, but I'm going to put it in my box. I'm taking the very first one and I'm going to go around it kind of without trying not to touch it. I'm going to put my little stem. So that's one. I'm going to put it over here on the side so I know I did that. I'm going to put some eyes on it because my pumpkins have eyes and a nose and a mouth. So I'm going to keep going, trace it, I'm going to move it over because I don't want to recount it twice. It could mess up my count. And then keep going to the next. Here's my last blue one. Okay, I've done my blue ones. Now I'm going to do my orange ones here. These ones are kind of long and skinny, I see. So I gotta make it kind of long and skinny. There we go. And the next one. These are things, friends, that you will do when you go to kindergarten, is counting collections. More than likely, though, you will do it with a partner. I'm on my last pumpkin. Yay. Okay, so I'm going to put my lid on my marker, and I'm going to point at each one of my pumpkins I drew, and I'm going to count them to make sure I have 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 pumpkins. And that's what I had when I started. I just checked my work. I counted and I circled number 11 because that's how many I had. And then I had to draw 11. And that's what I had. That's how many I have down here, are 11 pumpkins. Now, friends, if you would like to do this on paper, you are more than welcome to. But we wanted to provide you with a sheet so that you can use your dry erase marker too if you'd like. But if you use paper, you can use crayons. And then if you use crayons, whatever color your counting collection is, so mine is blue and orange, I could use blue and orange. So friends, today we learned about counting collections and how it is a group of different things, and we can sort them by color, we can sort them by size, we can sort them by type. So for instance, what I mean by type is if I have a pumpkin and I have a piece of candy, I would sort them by pumpkins and candies. Okay? All right, friends, I look forward to seeing your counting collection, and I know that in small group, you guys will be doing counting collections soon. Have a good day.